go over some hoop basics. First, a hoop is what holds your fabric and allows the machine to move the fabric to create your designs. You'll hoop the fabric and then attach the hoop to your machine, which will show when we're setting up the machine for embroidery. This is the hoop included with your machine. You will want to choose the smallest hoop you can for your embroidery to use less stabilizer and to give more support for your fabric. When looking at a hoop, you may notice that there are two main parts. There is an inner hoop, and this is the outer hoop. On the outer hoop, you'll see this, which is what connects it to the embroidery unit. And this part is what opens the hoop, allowing you to remove the inner hoop for hooping and unhooping your project. To open this hoop, simply loosen the screw here to remove the inner hoop. We'll loosen the screw first to give your project some room to fit in between the inner and outer hoops. Now we'll place our stabilizer and then our fabric over the outer hoop. You'll want to try to center the place you want hooped as best as you can. Then we'll place the inner hoop over the fabric and stabilizer. You'll want to make sure the text on the top of the inner hoop is facing the correct way by lining up the arrow on the outer hoop and the inner hoop. Now simply press this part down to make the inner hoop fit inside the outer hoop. You will need a clean, flat surface for this part. When your fabric and inner hoop are in, you'll want to smooth and straighten your fabric. Then tighten the hoop by tightening the screw back up so it's snug against the inner hoop. Now we can set up the machine for embroidery.